I'm in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. I'm with the boss of CRABS. People from all over come line up here on a Saturday morning to come taste him recipes. I mean, when you're talking about not just curry crabs, but barbecue, garlic, and more stuff on the menu like fritters, crab fritters and all of them stuff. There's just some crazy amount of recipes what to do with crabs. This is the boss of CRABS. We are in Portmore, Greater Portmore, right at the roundabout. You can't miss. Big area with all these market vendors here on a Saturday morning. You can't miss. It's just crazy. This is Outer Road Crabby, and we're gonna test out some of them crab there. Yeah man, it's not even 6 a.m. in the morning, and this is how early he's out in the morning on a Saturday, and people come here to get them crabs, different type of crabs. Yeah man, beautiful, bright and early morning. It's just sunrise coming up right there, and the market vendors they're coming in little by little. The crab man not reach it, we reach before him, but it's just a crazy vibe. Everyone is just customers pulling up, and the vendors are here packing out at the same time. A lot of food stuff to choose from: coconut jelly, breadfruit, banana, plantain, yam, Irish, all the vegetables you can think of: carrot, sweet pepper, bell pepper, all kind of seasoning. Is just crazy, and the smell, that early morning smell with the sunrise is just crazy, beautiful man. Yeah man, pretty sweet peppers over here, so chocho, lime, you know, long me see lime, ackee, it's just crazy. Corn, what is beetroot?
Yes, beetroot.
Wow, look at that, hot spicy peppers right there. So passion fruit, just look at this, original Jamaican vibes, scallion, plantain, string bean, bag of things to choose from. Nice, pretty ripe banana right there, so sweet sugar cane. Yeah man, crazy vibes. Banana, green banana, breadfruit, roast. I wanna look like it can roast. Yeah man, nice boiled breadfruit with all some salt, mackerel and them thing there. Crazy vibes here in the market, man. Yeah man, no funny and tomato. I have a jackfruit right out over here up on the ground. Nice, real original Jamaican vibes. Coconut jelly there.
Yeah man, you don't want it man, you don't have to run to nobody.
Oh, loads of carrot, crazy cucumbers
They
over
catch
there.
me night too.
Oh, you say you get catch night too?
Yeah.
Pretty plantain, Irish. Yeah man, cocoa, original vibes, sweet potato, string bean, okra. Can't run out of food stuff in no time at all. Garlic and food right there. Amazing vibes.
Nice tomato, nice hot pepper.
Yes man.
That's it.
Pretty tomatoes them over there.
Fresh from the farm, you know?
Yeah man, real way. Nice yellow yam them right there, so.
Yeah.
Yes man.
See yellow yam them,
Wow.
See it there?
Wow. Pretty.
Yeah.
Pretty. Yeah man, right here in the market.
Yeah.
Nice pumpkin over there, so too. Big, nice pumpkin over there, so coconut, cabbage, loads and loads of ginger. Crab man just reached. Him just pull up with the van over there. Him never start take out the stuff them out of the van, and people literally there and wait. People start walk up to the van already, so I don't know the vibes. Outer Road Crabby, Greater Portmore vibes. Yeah man.
I don't think him one because I never read the last week. That's why I go out of Portmore.
You left too?
Yeah, curry garlic.
Don't stress me. That's everything.
Fire just a light. The crab them not even start shear out it. Curry crab there, and I think garlic. Don't think no barbecue there. shrimp soup and all of them there. It's just crazy planting about the fry. I think fritters there too. It's just amazing. The crowd were actually there and fire just alight. It's just amazing. Crazy vibes here, man, in Portmore, Greater Portmore, right at the roundabout. Crab Bars.
So I make it iron and I said to me, say, you know as much. When you catch up there run.
Right now the chaos start. Because sharing at the start, you know, it's just crazy. Everybody have to join line right about now. Crazy.
First, second, third. Where's fourth?
You're fourth.
Baby J, where you at? So?
The shrimp on the crab.
That not set up yet. That not set up yet. You need that. Oh, you. How do this one? Me have one brother link me, say my goal, but I just run Portmore, my God.
Yeah, because some people from one person that wants crab.
Me post your number as soon as me get that chance, as soon as everything is set up the right way. That's what I want, syrup. Size. Lid. Yeah, shot me fun.
Oh God.
Yeah, there was no shrimp in the pot. Me show you that, but you can't get it.
What's that size?
4.
Aaron, you can't phone another phone, please put the phone there. Man, you dropping a phone this time.
No man, my phone in the bus. They handicap one. Baff. But, you know, you're missing enough to laugh. Don't laugh, you know.
You know, you pick crab in a phone,
Rose, where you there?
The winter cold is coming, man. And the medium soup on there.
No, you feel left in the pot.
Come be pepper shrimp.
Yeah, woman crab. What's a good thing? Follow your mind, eh? Woman crab.
Why you separate the male from it?
Oh, because it in the pot. Because we have people who just want pure woman crab and it's hard to dig through the male and the female, because the female crab them always going at the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Should I want a rice, you know?
Alright, it's alright. Actually, you give me some.
Yeah.
What is the pot cover? Cover the rice. Hey man, tell me now you get.
There you go, down there, crab them and then go down the side.
It's up to you, lady, wanna have no...
So on fire, please, yeah?
Separate.
Ready for me again?
Mm-hmm.
The soup now hot. Oh, me tell you
Pepper shake lid.
curry garlic and
You have run down?
no.
And 1,000 about.
So let's see what happened. We just cut everything and decide that's
All right,
what we
come collect now. I can't go on.
Eh?
I can't go on.
You want more than that, do you know?
Oh, cool, sure. How much for that?
Eh?
No. Bumblebee.
What you want to give me?
Yeah.
Yeah, but probably everything not already. Okay. Yeah, you too. Two curry conch. We ain't not punk cut up in chunks. 12. You want rice? Pumpkin rice. Yeah. Same bag or separate?
Crab because no shrimp put on? Dip it down. What did you want from her?
One.
Alright. Never mind. Give me one bag of shrimp.
What is?
Baby, take 2 more bags. That's the other thing. Alright, give me 2 more bags.
Girl, give me one pepper shake. May I do some?
Me want one, daddy want one.
Me carry my box and come get roast to get me come kind and hit it. There you go. Take this other tin in there and put another one and slow him down. Alright, cool. You can continue frying this one. Dealing with them. Moving about one smell the other. Hold. That's fine. Yeah, move.
Rosa, my conch them there?
Yeah, you order them. Oh, man, not there. Where should I go? Ram, yeah, let me start the pressure back. No, Marshall, leave that. Just a little clip.
You look up in a curry I can use.
The one is a big clip and not too big clip. Hot use the shrimp in the bag.
Get that in.
I bun them, I tell you to take them off and put them myself. But you can't come clean. But bun before they cook.
Woman no come big, they come in a one size.
Very rare when you see a big woman. It's very rare when you see a big woman.
Let me buy one big one.
Come. Want help with this?
Ramon have one fire the bun.
Ramon. Yes, sir. Take your phone. That is fine, sir. Yeah, what take one touch that through?
Six with us. Color curry?
I don't know. Baby J?
No. Should I don't get favorite? Carry my pasta.
Oh, carry for the pasta too.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then go to get the whole pasta.
Eh?
Let's start work on the pasta right now.
Where's the number one the curry?
I'm 200.
Eh?
200.
Oh, that you are do? Oh, I do something.
I'm taking over.
See, pot there, you can't have it.
Why?
You do?
Come in there, bring it up.
Yeah.
Plastic one burn good now, but it burn fast.
Pepper should be.
Come out now.
One move right, so I go start burn.
I'll come move in the next minute.
Alright. I'll wait just, I got the whole I can them. Oh.
good shrimp that take long. Which kind of?
Right here.
Restriction. When you're ready. Vegetable are fried. Pasta cook already. Don't take long, so couple minutes and have it. It not take long. Oh! Just invite me here when you come in and have it. This one, hold on, take one. But Jesus, don't be too. We use the same seasoning. I just wine a person. Yeah, some people cook with love, yeah, some not cook with none.
Two. India. Two for that. Two for that, right? You that baby too.
Hey, Ramon, you want to try some old vegetable?
That's what them call him.
Can you smell it? Can you smell it? You know the taste, it does hot. No, some people say pepper flavor.
Jezebel,
You know the flavor, it does hot.
17.
Did the crab festival, you know?
I come and so grab it, man. And people do have.
Two fritters ready. Two pepper shrimp.
Pepper shrimp in a bag, this one. In a pan. The shrimp pan out already, man. In a pan. Up on in front there. There's a paper, me just mad at it.
What? Learn.
Shrimp pasta, curry conch, boiled crab, crab fritters, shrimp soup. Curry crab, garlic crab, thank you very much. We have curry conch same way. We have fried fish, we have shrimp pasta.
Curry conch. Ready. One curry conch then.
Can't get it. Can't get it remaining.
You better get on box.
Man, the remaining of that one there.
That's it, Mayo.
What you want? Yeah, watch out.
Curry come.
So something. That's a veggie shrimp conch alone.
Yeah, one conch alone and one fry.
Alright, you want it right.
Yeah, I like ready for that. There's some curry me wait for that now. Make sure they go together.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah, when you come up with
Me tell him, run this up.
Yeah, you know, I say 1 4. Hold on, I'm come and see again. A 4 for that.
Oh, crazy. It's just a natural, authentic vibes at the spot. Greater Portmore, roundabout. Right now we get some curry crabs. Oh, them smell so good. One of the subscribers them there, Marcus. Big up yourself. crazy vibes. When you get planting and get the green planting and the fritters, the crab fritters. Get one of the fritters. Crab fritters and also green planting, press planting, curry crabs there, and also have some garlic crabs. Crazy, we are going to dip into this right now. This smells so good, and right now we have to find a little spot and go and eat a bag of line out there. Crazy. People just pull up same way. It's just crazy vibes, man, and we're going to dip into this curry right now. Oh, yeah.
Crazy.
Whoa. Yeah, get the sting of that pepper, all of the seasoning. Yeah, taste everything. This is not short and no farmer ground seasoning. You taste the scallion, thyme, everything in this pepper. Ooh. Oh, the conch. Ooh. Pure goodness in a 1 foot. Just imagine all of this. Yo, the juice just stick on and run out. All of that seasoning. Whoa.
Yes, good man.
Also, the crab fritters. Crab fritters. Wow. See if we can see some of the crabs rubbing at the sunlight. Whoa. Whoa. Ooh. Yo, this is different.
Delicious.
This one is different. Ooh, can I see some of the crab, right? Just some of the crab people. Whoa. Crazy. And this part of the crab, you don't know this. Basically down at the belly part where the foot them hang off from. That part of the crab always full of meat. You have to go right into that. Look on this. You have to go right in and get into that and get all of that meat. I originally wanted to check out the barbecue, but no barbecue crabs today. So we got the curry and the garlic. We are going to taste some of the garlic right now. This is the garlic.
That look amazing, man.
First bite. Now the garlic. Don't watch the flies. Once it's especially seafood, anything of to do with seafood, shell food, you're gonna always see that bag of flies, but These are well cooked. And then a play cooking. These are well seasoned and cooked properly. The original Jamaican way. Woo! Oh, already I love this. Already I love this.
Nice.
Yeah man, this just have a unique taste. This just have a unique taste. Wow. That garlic just before you even taste it, you get that smell. You get that smell of the garlic before you even taste it. So you know that bite, that first bite where you took, is just pure garlic and seasoning. And the breeze strong. Oh, pure meat. Pure meat.
How it come?
Skunk. Crazy. Whoa.
Amazing.
That juice I just spill out. All of this you don't want to fuck with this. You don't want to fuck, you just want to get your hands dirty.
Yeah.
Just want to get your hands dirty and just get in all of them juice. And flesh. Wow. So these are not the land crab. The garlic crabs are not the land crabs, but the curry ones and the regular boiled ones, which you already used to, those are land crabs. The garlic ones, sea crabs. Yo, the amount of goodness in every bite, it's just not normal. Crazy vibes here in Greater Portmore. Greater Portmore, right at the roundabout, right at Farmers Market. Crazy vibes, me I tell you now. On a Saturday, just check out his Instagram page. Check out Mr. Morris' Instagram page. He normally posts whenever early. He normally posts whenever he's going to be here on a Saturday. Sometime him come out late, sometime him there like early. After 5-6 in the morning, you can come and see a long line. It's just crazy. Right now we are eating a bag of people out there still. I get them stuff. Big pot of crab still out there. Curry crab, boiled crab, shrimp pasta, we see all of that get done. It's just crazy. We came and we never get the barbecue, but the garlic, wicked, and the curry. I don't know the vibes. Have a bag of this for clap down. Have a bag of garlic and a bag of curry for clap down. Look on this. Crazy amount of crabs. Woo! Have a bag of crabs slap down. I don't know what time it is, man. Yard lifestyle. Right here, Greater Portmore. Yeah, man.